Hi guys, Captain Starlight here. Today I am making peg racing cars. Whoa! For this, you are going to need a peg, some matchsticks, some blue tack, and you're going to need something to make the wheels. You could make it with some beads, some different types of beads, or we're going to use some cardboard wheels. You can just cut them out yourself, but maybe get mum or dad or an adult to help you with the scissors and poking the little hole. Then, once you've got everything, it is super duper easy. So, you've got your peg. You're gonna need your matchstick to go through here and one through here. If your peg doesn't work with these ones, you could put the matchstick through a different hole or even open up the peg and hold it there like that. So here we've got our two axles for our wheels. Let's get those wheels on there. So here's the first wheel, just slot it on to the matchstick. And our second wheel, sliding it on. It is looking like a car already. Here's the third wheel and the last wheel. Whoa, oh my goodness, that looks so cool. No! Oh, but we need a few more things. Let's get some blue tack so that the wheels don't fall off in the heat of the race. Here we go. I'm just gonna make that blue tack a little bit long so then I can wrap it around this matchstick. Hopefully that will keep the wheel on. And we'll do it onto the other side as well. There we go, those wheels look very secure now. And let's get a little bit more for the back two wheels. Ooh. Here we go, wrapping it around. That looks so cool. And then last one. Check it out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now, your racing car, you might want to do a little bit of decorating. So don't forget, you can decorate your racing car in any way that you want to make it go faster or just look really, really cool. Whoa, some zigzags. We have one peg racer. Whoa. Now, you can just race it along like that, or let me show you what we've done. Come on. I need this. Now that we've got our peg racing car, I thought it'd be really cool to make a track that it could race on. You can make a track out of anything. Maybe you could just put like stuff together to like push it along, or we've made one out of cardboard boxes and a cardboard tube that we cut in half. Again, adults are great at helping with these things. And we like line them up here so there should be a pretty sweet jump. Should we see how it goes? Yeah! Okay, ready, set, race! Whoa! Go peg racing car! That looks so much fun. I think I'm gonna have to give it a go. Ready, set, go! Whoa! 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 Oh my goodness. That was so much fun. I hope you guys have heaps of fun making your own peg racing car.